Anasuya, the wife of Athri Maharishi, said, "Sita, you are wearing the saris made of kor or nara. You have accepted the forest life without any struggle. Here itself, your greatness is revealed." She further asked, "I never saw your husband, Rama. Can you show me, Rama?" Then Anasuya pointed out each seated and asked Sita if he was Rama. Sita did not speak out but displayed her dissent by shaking her head whenever Anasuya pointed it out wrongly. Finally, when Anasuya correctly pointed out Rama, Sita became silent, not expressing her dissent. Similarly, when we keep rejecting non-self, that which we are not, only then do we realize the self, our true nature. We will not shut our mouths until we realize self. When we realize the self, the senses stop working. There is nothing to be viewed about or listened to. There would be no tendencies that can bring about rebirth. Therefore, silence is the essence of the Supreme Self.
Atma Rama Ananda Ramana Atma Rama Ananda Ramana Achyuta Keshava Hari Narayana Achyuta Keshava Hari Narayana Bhava Bhaya Harana Vandita Charana Bhava Bhaya Harana Vandita Charana Raghukula Bhushana Rajiva Nayana Raghukula Bhushana Rajiva Nayana Adi Narayana Ananta Shayana Achyuta Keshava Hari Narayana Achyuta Keshava Hari Narayana Atma Rama Ananda Ramana Achyuta Keshava Hari Narayana Bhava Bhaya Harana Vandita Charana Raghukula Bhushana Rajiva Nayana Adi Narayana Ananda Shayana Achyuta Keshava Hari Narayana Atma Rama Ananda